panayam kay Alden Richards nitong November 21, ay natanong ito kung totoo nga ba ang usap-usapang nais na niyang mag-quit sa showbiz. Yes, actually. Sa first 5 years doon pumasok yung idea na I wanted to quit. I just wanted to go back to school kasi parang ang hirap eh. Syempre, everyday, you're always looking for that break, for that project, for that moment wherein kahit papaano naman, you'll say, my stay here in the industry is worth it. So, doon pumasok talaga yung doubt. Doon ako nag-doubt na parang, bakit ko pa ginagawa to? Bakit ko pa kailangang ituloy kung wala rin naman nangyayari? So, I was really doubtful at that moment. Lahad ni Alden. Ang daming beses na akong pinakitaan ni Lord na ganyan. Na every time I want to turn my back in the things that I do, doon siya biglang bumabalik and doon siya nagbibigay ng something na unexpected. Dagdag pa ng aktor. Ayon pa kay Alden, ay naging mahirap sa kanyang unang 5 taon niya sa industriya. Sa industriya natin, sobrang daming gustong mag-artista. Ang daming gustong makapasok sa industry. Ang daming gustong maging successful. Yung first 5 years was full of hard work. Tanggap lang ng tanggap ng trabaho. Parang kahit maganda yung kinalabasan ng isang project, you'll be grateful for that, pero trabaho ka pa rin. Kumbaga, ikinumit ko yung sarili ko talaga sa 5 years na yun. Parang nothing can distract me. Sabi ng kapuso aktor. Muling natanong naman si Alden kung ano ang pakiramdam niya ngayong umabot siya ng 10 taon sa industriya. Nagulat ako. Wow! 10 years na pala ako. I started when I was 18. Siguro, the totality of the experience, good or bad, happy or sad, wala akong niregret doon. I didn't regret any moment that happened in my career. Kasi it makes me cool as a person now. All those experiences, diba? There's the usual question na, if you go back in your past, anong babaguhin mo? Ako wala eh. Kasi wala akong lahat ng experiences na yun. Really taught me something to move forward as a person, as an artist, as a performer. Saad ni Alden. Being in the industry for 10 years is not easy. It's really not that easy. Coming from, of course, sa family naman namin, wala akong relatives na nasa showbiz din. I'm the first blood actually who has ever stepped into show business. So lahat, inaral ko siya ng by myself lang. Kumbaga, I endured everything by myself lang with a great team behind me as well. So, I should say talaga na my 10 years was really fruitful. I've learned a lot. I matured even more. I'm just so grateful na tumagal ako ng 10 taon with no regrets. Dagdag pa ni Alden sa panayam sa kanya.
Share for fun.